मोहम्मद भाई, हाउ फॉर एग्जांपल ये एसी है, ये लाइट्स हैं, these lights can be connected with my phone through Bluetooth.
Yes.
Okay, once I leave the studio, I'm not connected with the lights. Okay, these ACs doesn't support Wi-Fi. How Nexus will be connected with these ACs, with these equipments, those equipments जिसके अंदर सेंसर नहीं है, कोई इस टाइप की चीज़ नहीं है.
Very good question. First of all, there might be two different case scenarios that you did not make the right purchase based on the future perspective or something as an existing infrastructure. We are ready for both. So if the new age Wi-Fi enabled or Bluetooth enabled equipment is there with you, we can cross integrate reading Bluetooth, BLE technology. But if, for an example, there are legacy systems like what we have as an AC, which is working with your normal IR blaster, we can integrate a sensor or a power module, which is going to be based on Boolean logic, conditional logic, that you can define, and it can interact with the Nexus gateway, and you can control it with Nexus app. So it's like first layer is the hardware, the second layer is the application layer, the third layer is you as a user.